Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Barbara and today I'm going to be doing my very first ever Bolzano unboxing. I do pay for this myself. It is not given to me. No one is sponsoring this video. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my bag, just stay tuned. Thumbnail side. Okay, this is what you got. It always comes in a dust bag. And I found out about this from Just Ann on YouTube. She's who I first saw do it, and then after her I've seen Hot Mess Mama do them. I've seen, I don't know who else I've seen, but Just Ann was the first one I noticed. So let's just go right ahead and get into this. If I can figure out how to put the link in the description box, I will. But if not, you know, I just told you, Just Ann on YouTube is how I found out about it. So this is what you see when you open the box. This is actually my second bag. The first one I sent back because I didn't like it. And with Bolzano, if you're sent a bag that matches your profile, you fill out this very long profile when you sign up. If you're sent a bag that you don't like, that matches your profile, but that you don't like the color or you don't like something about it, you can send it back at your own cost and they will replace it. So you have to pay for the return shipping, but they'll send you out another bag free of charge. So that's the one thing I do like about Bolzano. So let's go ahead, and this is my January bag. I only got two. I got one for December and I got one for January. And let's see how January's the replacement comes back and see if I continue it or not. I do love handbags. That's like one of my biggest issues. I love Kate Spade. I love Coach. I wish I could afford Louis Vuitton, but I can't. So this is the next best thing. And here's what I got. Ta-da! Now, this looks like a rose gold to me, but I can't quite tell. As you guys know, I have sight issues. Kind of looks rose gold to me. It's really cute. It has a little Bolzano thing here. It's a vegan leather. Definitely has that leather smell. Comes with this little attached, I guess you can remove this chain, coin change, purse, whatever. Whatever, you know what I mean. This faux clasp. You open it up. And this is what comes inside. Like I said, I did get the luxury version. This cost me $43.99. That's not bad. It has two big pockets and it has a zipper in the middle. Let's see if it has anything on it. There's no name or anything on the inside. But it is black, so it does stay neat. And this is like a, what I would call that? Not a felt, but not a velvet. Like a velour type lining inside. And when you get the, I'm back, sorry my battery died, so I had to go change it. As I was saying, I do get the deluxe variation where you get accessories to go with it. So we got a bag of accessories, and there is also this thing here on the inside. So overall, and you always get this strap, so you can use it crossbody if you want, or, you know, this type of deal if you want. Overall, I kind of like the bag. It's growing on me. Initially, I did not like it, but I guess I could get used to the color. It's not what I typically have. I tend to go for browns, blacks. I like pink. I do have two pink Coach bags, but not this color rose gold pink. But it's pretty. I like rose gold, so I'll get some use out of that. Let's start with this one. Let's see what's in this one. Now these accessories do come with it. Like I said, I get the luxe version. I pay $43.99, and you get the bag. I think this combined is supposed to be worth a $305 value or more. I don't know that they give you the specific horrific cost of the bag versus the accessories, but this is what you see when you open it up. This is in some language I don't see. Lavender hand cream by L'Occitane. Let me know if this is looking clear to you, but my monitor is looking kind of blurry, so I can't tell, but up at the camera it looks clean. So hopefully it's coming out clear. Just like what it looks like. It's just a hand cream. I gotta figure out why my monitor is so blurry. It does have a scent to it, but it's a clean, fresh scent. I'm so excited my granddaughter comes in tonight. I have to go get her at the airport at 10:30. It's not bad. A clean, fresh smell. My oldest granddaughter, my 17-year-old granddaughter comes in tonight. She's coming in for 2 weeks, which I'm super psyched for. And then my second oldest daughter, Crystal, is here. She's here for 7 weeks, visiting Mama. So I'm happy. I'm happy to have extra family around, which is awesome for me. It comes with 2 nail tools. Are they the same nail tool? No, they're different. The ends are different. I love doing nail videos. I love doing my own nails. And so I also like playing with mica and doing that. So these look like perfect to use for doing my micas and stuff. So I'll take that. That's a good thing. That's an extra bonus. Didn't expect that. And I'll definitely put them into good use. I will stick this in my purse to take with me because I'm trying to, sorry, someone's got one over there, trying to grow out my natural nails. This is the Solinquin Professional Quality Cuticle Nippers, which is cool. I can use a new pair, and these are super expensive around here. They're like $15, $16 for one of them. So that works for me. That's a good little bonus. And I will get use out of this bag too. I can use this for putting my lippies or whatever in my bag to carry around with me. So that's pretty cool. Small, keeps it neat and organized. Let's go ahead and see what we got in the box. That box. Go ahead and see what we got in the bag. It comes in plastic, same Bolzano wrapping thing. My words are just not with me today, so please remember, no judgment zone. Okie dokie. What we got, what we got. We have this little head warmer. Again, I live in Arizona. I may use this to do my makeup. When I'm doing my makeup in the morning, use this as a little headband. I could do that. I won't use it to go outside because it's always hot here. This I could definitely use. Not my style, but I can get used to it. Because I don't have any sunglasses. Oh my god, it devours my face. What do you think? Can I rock it? Or not? Or does it just make me look stupid? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Sorry, I'm just being weird. Oh, and this is cute. I will use this. I told them on my profile that I am allergic to any kind of jewelry besides gold. If you look at any of the times when I usually have my necklace or my bracelets on. They're always gold, because anything else leaves green rings. If it's a ring, it leaves a green ring around my hand. If it's on my neck, my neck gets green. My wrist is the same way. I guess I have a high acidity level in my skin, and it reacts to the jewelry. And I've tried the nail polish thing. It just doesn't work. So the last time they sent me some silver stuff, and I had to send it back because I can't wear anything but pure gold. And obviously in a $35 bag, you're not going to get gold. So anyway, this is the next best thing. I will wear this. This is pretty cute. I don't know that I wear it out very much, because this seems like more of a kid's style than a 54-year-old woman's. But it's pretty. It's just pearls. Pretty cute. I'll wear it. Well, not 54 yet. 54 in April. So that's it. That's my Bolzano. So we got this hair barrette, the sunglasses, the makeup thing to use when you're doing your makeup, the nail kit, and this rose gold bag. So I will use this. The only thing I tend to prefer bags that have the zipper on the top. I don't like this particular type of bag, but because it has one in the center, I will use that. Because living in Phoenix, you know, or maybe you don't know, but there is a high theft rate around here. So if you're walking around the mall or something with a bag that just has a clasp, it's easier for people to stick their hand in there and take whatever. But if you have something that zips up, it makes it a lot more challenging. That's just my perspective on things. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So anyway, that's my Bolzano video. Bleh. Editing is going to be a bitch on this one. So anyway, that's my Bolzano opening, my very first one. I do have one more coming. Don't forget to enter my 100 subscriber giveaway. It's over there. I have the first option is these Luxie brushes and the Too Faced highlighter. And this is in Canary Diamond. So in the comments down below, if you want to enter for this one, leave me a comment, be subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading, and put the number 1 in your comment. And if you want to enter my 100 subscriber giveaway and want to win this Jeffree Star package, which is the mini jawbreaker and Ice Queen Frost, liquid frost, again, leave me a comment down below and put the number 2 in your comment, and I will put your name in the giveaway for the second option. Okay guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!